Hey guys, removing ink stains from leather furniture can be tricky, but not impossible. There are different methods you can try, depending on the type and color of the leather, and the age and size of the stain. Here are some general steps you can follow. First, test the cleaning solution on a hidden spot of the leather, to make sure it does not damage or discolor the material. Next, use a cotton swab, or a white cloth dipped in the solution, to dab the stain gently, working from the outside inward. Do not rub or scrub the stain, as this can spread it, or push it deeper into the leather. Then, blot the area with a dry cloth, to remove any excess solution and moisture. Finally, apply a leather conditioner to restore the shine and softness of the leather. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. Some of the common cleaning solutions you can use are: rubbing alcohol. This is effective for removing ink stains from most types of leather, especially permanent marker or Sharpie stains. However, it can also dry out or discolor the leather, so use it sparingly and carefully. Hairspray. This is another option for removing ink stains from leather, as it contains alcohol and other ingredients that can dissolve the ink. However, it can also leave a sticky residue or damage the leather finish, so rinse it off well after using it. Vinegar and olive oil. This is a natural and gentle method for removing ink stains from white leather only. Mix equal parts of vinegar and olive oil in a bowl, and apply it to the stain with a cloth. The vinegar will help lift the ink, while the olive oil will condition the leather. Lemon juice and cream of tartar. This is another natural method for removing ink stains from colored leather only. Mix 1 part of lemon juice with 1 part of cream of tartar in a bowl, and apply it to the stain with a cloth. The lemon juice will act as a bleaching agent, while the cream of tartar will act as a mild abrasive. If none of these methods work, you may need to use a commercial cleaner designed for leather, or seek professional help from a leather expert. Do not use any harsh chemicals or solvents that can damage the leather further. I hope these tips help you remove ink stains from your leather furniture. Have a nice day.